What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video, and today we'll be looking at a trade I took on GBPJPY on May 18th. So if we look into the past, we can see that we are in fact in a downtrend based off the 1 hour, and then we can see that we retest this 4-hour support and resistance area and extend under it a little bit, but once price starts moving, we can see that we get this reversal pattern. Now, if you're new to trading, you might not notice this, but this is actually an inverted head and shoulders. So if we go back to the 15-minute chart, you can see that our left shoulder is here, our head is down here, our right shoulder is right here, and our neckline retest is right here. So with that being said, if we go back to the hour, you can see how I got into my trade right here with this candle, and I took price to where this formation started. So if we look, we can see that this formation, the final drop creating the first shoulder, started right here, and you can see this is where my take profit is. This was a really simple trade. It was a kind of ugly reversal pattern if we look, but nonetheless it was still a valid reversal pattern. We can see the left shoulder here, the head right here, the right shoulder right here, and then our neckline retest right here, which is where I entered. And then once again, you can see that I exited at the very beginning of the formation of this pattern, netting me roughly 75 pips. So if you guys have any questions about anything that I talked about in this video, please go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And if you want to see when I take these trades live, go ahead and follow me on Instagram and check out my stories. With that being said, I will catch you guys in the next video.